Hey guys, welcome back to Life with Jayria. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you my shrimp on steak recipe. If it's your first time here, be sure to subscribe, turn your post notification on, leave a like on this video, and continue watching. So without further ado, let's start this video. Welcome back guys. So I am starting off with my jumbo shrimp. They are already peeled and deveined. So I already went ahead and cleaned up my shrimp with lemon juice. So now I'm going to season and set aside. So once I add all my seasoning, I stir, then set aside. So now I'm moving on to my steaks. So here I have my steaks, and these are some sirloin. So you want to make sure to clean up your steaks, pat dry, so your seasons can hold perfectly onto your steak. So now that my steak is nicely dry, I'm going to add my seasonings. So guys, you want to make sure to use some onion powder and garlic powder. This combination gives your steaks a nice flavor. So guys, make sure to massage the seasonings into your steaks, and also you want to make sure to season both sides evenly, and this is how you're going to achieve the perfect taste. So now that my steak is seasoned, I'm going to pan sear my steak using a small amount of olive oil, and I'm also going to use a lot of butter and garlic for my base. So now, as you can see, I'm adding some butter, and I'm using a generous amount to keep my steaks moisturized. I'm also going to add some herbs such as my thyme. You can also use rosemary. So yes guys, as you can see, I'm pouring the melted butter over the steaks, and this is going to make it nice and juicy. So I'm going for a well done steak, so I'm going to fry on each side for roughly 4 to 5 minutes on medium heat. So yes guys, let's prepare some purple onions and sweet peppers to add to the sauce, and this will give some additional flavor. So now I'm going in with some crushed garlic to add some more flavor, and I'm also going to add some more butter to keep the steaks nice and juicy. So now I'm going to stir fry the veggies into some olive oil and garlic, and once the steak is done frying, I'm going to drizzle all the juice over these veggies. And you also want to make sure to stir fry your veggies on low heat. So now it's time to go in with the shrimps, and I'm going to fry them for roughly 2 minutes on each side. So now I'm adding some broccoli and some soya sauce, and if you are a steak lover, you will know that broccoli complements steaks really well. So once I stir fry my veggies, I'm going to add the steaks, and then I'm going to drizzle all the juice from the steaks over this baby. Then I'm going to cover for a minute or two on low heat. So moving back to my shrimps, I'm flipping them over to fry for another 2 minutes. So once they are done frying, I'm going to remove them and set aside. So this is how my steak is looking, all done, all nice and juicy and ready to eat. So I serve with some mashed potatoes and corn. So this is it guys, all done, ready to eat, well presented. So look at that guys, really nice and juicy and tasty, and this is how I like my steaks, well done. So that's it, that's how I prepare my shrimp on steaks. So thank you all for watching, and if you haven't subscribed as yet, please don't forget to subscribe, turn your post notification on, leave a thumbs up on this video, please share, and also leave a comment, and I will see you all on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.